Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Update to the latest TikTok app on iOS or Android before trying voice chat. Open your phone settings and allow microphone permission for TikTok so audio works. Sign in with your usual account and confirm direct messages are enabled in privacy settings. Restart the app after updating so changes take effect. Keep your phone charged and on Wi-Fi when possible to reduce interruptions. These preparation steps make starting a voice chat smooth and reliable every time. Open the profile or chat and tap the chat bubble to access direct messages. Find an existing DM or tap the plus sign to begin a new conversation with friends. Tap the voice icon or tap New Chat, then choose Voice Chat to start the voice session. When the call begins, invite friends from the chat or share the voice chat link to add participants. Use the mute and speaker buttons during the session for quick audio control and privacy. Use mute, speaker, and add participant buttons during any voice chat for control and clarity. If you encounter audio issues, toggle microphone permission and restart the app or device to refresh settings. Close other apps that use the microphone to avoid conflicts and reduce background noise. Be mindful that recordings and shared audio are subject to TikTok rules, so always ask permission before recording others. For best results, use a headset with a microphone and stable internet to improve audio quality.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.